In the LOTCA assessment tool, there are a series of tests to administer that fall under many different categories. Under orientation, it is the awareness of self in relation to one's surroundings and requires consistent and reliable integration of attention, perception, and memory. The colored and plain box test use colored cubes and plain wooden cubes to test an individual's visual spatial relations and pattern recognition. The purpose of the categorization section is to separate different images into groups. This tests an individual's ability to categorize, shift concepts, and verbally conceptualize. Okay, so today we are going to be doing some orientation for place and time activities. So I'm going to start off by asking you a couple of questions. Okay, where are you now?
I'm at the hospital.
Okay, and where is it located?
Warner Robins?
Okay. Where do you live and what is your exact address?
Well, I live in Warner Robins, and I live at 555 Tallulah Drive.
Okay. Name a city that is located near your home address.
Perry.
Okay. All right. What day is today? What month and what year?
What day is today?
So what's the month and what is the year?
It's April 2021.
Okay. And what is the hour now?
I want to say it's like almost 2.
All right. And how long have you been hospitalized?
About 3 months.
Okay. All right, you can stop it. Keep stopping. Okay, so now we're going to do some thinking operation activities. And first we're going to start off with categorization. So I'm going to lay out these cards. Alright, and what I need you to do is sort these cards into groups first.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, so can you name the groups for me?
This one would be transportation.
Okay.
Because it's got like ships and cars and trains. Then this one is for, oops, I put one in the wrong place. This one goes over here. This one would be for writing, because it's got a typewriter and a pencil.
Okay.
And these ones are tools. Got like scissors and a hammer, a screwdriver, and then like sewing stuff.
Alright, good job. Okay, is there any other way possible that you could sort these?
I guess, let's see. These ones go in water. This one goes in the sky. So does that one. These 3 go on land. These 2 have a bunch of moving parts, and that has a moving part. And then these ones are all simple ones.
Okay, can you name each group?
water transportation, air transportation, and land transportation, machines with moving parts, and simple tools.
All right, good job. All right, so now we're going to do the pictorial sequence activity. So I'm going to lay out 5 cards representing a short story. Okay, and so I'll lay these out. What I need you to do is arrange the pictures in the right sequence.
Well, he's got to get there first. He's got to get to that place. So that's number 1.
And while you're arranging them, you can tell me the story as well.
Okay, cool. So yeah, he gets there, and then he starts sweeping up the leaves into a pile. And then he puts all the leaves from the pile into a basket. And then he starts to take the basket away. But it looks like there's a lot of wind, so it blows the leaves out of the basket. And now he's mad that they're everywhere else.
Okay, good job. The next activity consists of the plain block design activity. So I'm going to give you these blocks. And then I'm going to give you this picture. And I need you to put those blocks in the same way the picture is, okay?
Okay.
All right, start.
I think I'm good. I have an extra one. But
All
I
right,
think
so
I'm
how
done.
many cubes were needed to build this design?
9.
All right, good job. Last activity for today is going to be the colored block design. So I'm going to give you a picture of these blocks, and I'm going to give you some blocks, and what I want you to do is try to build the exact picture right here with those blocks.
I'm done.
Looks good.
Good.
Good job.
Okay. For each category, you score the individual from 1 being the lowest to 4 being the highest, and occasionally 5 in other sections. You then collect the length of time taken to complete each assessment. For orientation to time and place, the client was able to complete the assessment in 1 minute and 49 seconds. He scored 3 under time and 4 under place. He completed the colored block test within 39 seconds, receiving a score of 4, and completed the plain block test within 32 seconds, receiving a score of 3. The individual finished the categorization assessment in 2 minutes and received a score of 5. After each test has been administered, you total up each amount of time taken for each test and document it at the bottom of the scoring sheet. The administrator will also record the individual's attention and concentration scale on a scale of 1 to 4.